supposed to be sunny. It was sunning. It was. Rhonda, you be careful. They have like, what is it? A big high tornado thing up there in Illinois. Tornadoes. Front, yeah. Seems like Illinois is getting the. Let's see, California is getting rain and snow and flood. And the weather is nice here. And my flowers are perking up.
Everywhere they are. It's weird. They're coming out everywhere around here. The yellow ones are early.
Well, it's almost March too, so.
It's just now the 19th. We're getting to March, but we're not there yet.
What is that saying they have? May flowers, March comes in like a lion or something. What is it?
You got a bunch of them mixed together.
I know.
I don't remember right now.
What do you mean you remember? March.
I don't remember it.
March comes in like a lion
Yeah, but that's not
and goes out like a lamb. Something
Okay.
like that.
I don't think that's it. I don't think that's it.
Why not?
Because that's not it. I don't know what it is, but that's not it.
Well, the tire's still doing good.
Feels like it. It didn't go down that much. I pumped it up yesterday afternoon, so it was before 4 o'clock. And it was like 8 o'clock this morning, which means 16 hours later it didn't go down a whole lot.
If Robert's here, I'm going to stop real quick.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. We're fine. As far as I can tell, we are.
And he's here.
This truck is here, so I guess that's what it is.
Sorry, not that one. I'll just park right here. I'll be right back.